Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to rename select options button or add to cart button text in WooCommerce shop using WordPress. This customization is incredibly useful when you want to personalize your online store's appearance and make the shopping experience more aligned with your brand voice or customer expectations. To get started, open a browser and navigate to WordPress.com. If you haven't already logged into your account, go ahead and sign in now. Make sure you're using the account that has access to your WooCommerce store, as this is where we'll be making all the necessary changes. Once you're logged in and on your WordPress dashboard, the first thing we need to do is install a specific plugin that will allow us to customize these button texts. Look over to the left navigation menu and click on Plugins. An expanded menu will appear with several options. From these options, click on Add Plugin. This section is where you can browse and install new functionality for your WooCommerce store. You'll now see the plugins page displaying all the available plugins you can add and utilize on your WooCommerce account. From here, locate the search bar at the top of the page. In this search bar, type in Customizer for WooCommerce. Once the search results appear, look for the plugin specifically named Customizer for WooCommerce. Before installing, you might want to click on More Details to see an overview of this plugin and understand its features and functions. This gives you a better idea of what you're adding to your site. Once you're ready and confident about the plugin, click on Install Now. The installation might take a little while to finish, so be patient as WordPress processes and adds the plugin to your system. Once the installation is complete, you'll see the button change to Activate. Click on Activate to enable the plugin on your WordPress site. This step is crucial because installing alone won't make the plugin functional until you activate it. Once your page refreshes after activation, you'll notice some changes to your WordPress dashboard. A new menu or additional options will have been added to your left navigation panel. Click on WooCommerce and an expanded menu will appear showing various settings and tools. From this expanded menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the WooCommerce settings page where you can configure different aspects of your online store. Now look at the top part of your screen under the WooCommerce settings page. You'll see several tabs, and among them you should notice a new tab labeled Customizer that has been added by the plugin you just installed. Click on the Customizer tab to access the area where you can rename Select Options button or Add to Cart button text in your WooCommerce shop. In this section, you'll see various fields corresponding to different product types. Look at each field carefully. You'll find options for simple product, variable product, grouped product, and out-of-stock product. Next to each of these product types, there's a text field where you can type in your preferred button text. Simply click into these fields and type whatever text you wish to use instead of the default button labels. This is where you can get creative and make your store truly reflect your brand's personality. Once you've entered all your desired button text changes, scroll down to the bottom of the page. You'll find a button labeled Save Changes. Click on it to apply and save all the modifications you've made. Your custom button texts will now appear on your WooCommerce shop pages, giving your customers a more personalized shopping experience. And there you have it, you've successfully customized your WooCommerce button texts to better suit your store's needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.